Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to see Spotify listening history. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to see your Spotify listening history, you need to simply tap open your mobile app if you are using the iOS or Android. Once you open the Spotify app, all you gotta do is simply go to the home screen. Then the home screen you need to tap on your profile, which is usually in the top left corner. Once you do this, you can simply go and tap on listening stats. So here you can simply find your music history, or like you can find what you have played from recent days. This is a new update and this has recently been added in Spotify's app settings. So this way you can simply see your listening history in your Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.